Tama kayo ng score dito. Hindi nyo tututukan ko. Di ba?
Ano?
Kaya dito nakascore. Doon ako tutok.
Oo.
Hindi nakascore.
Sino nakascore sa bila? Opposite end lagi, opposite end. Ah. Ready na tayo? Sige, lagay mo na, Jess. Dahil ka pinalitan sa ano siya, di ba? Shit, okay lang. Alright, so ito na yung ating first game. And in a few seconds time, magsisimula na tayo. Last minute preparation lang po para sa ating mga teams. And then we will be having our first game. And quickly, we'll go ahead and show up our starters for both teams, no? Ito po yung starters for Doc Boleros, again 14 to 15 under. This is Aaron Giron. We have Paulino. We also have Rapista, Siat, and Torres. At sa kabilang banda naman po sa Falcons, we have Lugto, Canon, Kahuday, Rodriguez, and San Jose. Yan po ang ating starters. Sisimulan na po natin ang ating first game. Here we go. Again, ang napapanood nyo po ay Doc Boleros. Sila po yung mga naka-blue. At sa kabila naman po yung ating players from Falcons, yung mga naka-red naman po.
Let's see,
Hindi na pa ako nagpapasintod. Hindi magsisimula yan kasi ka nagbabaga. Alright, here we go. Last minute preparation at medyo may konti pa tayong Kodak moments. That's na.
Alright, here we go. First game. Our Sunday schedule. Matchup between the Boleros Boys. This game is 2011 Board Division. Our first of 3 games scheduled for the day. And here we are starting for the Boleros. We have Garon, Rodrigo, Lisa, Siak, and Torres. And on the opposite end for the Boleros, we have Canon, Kahuday, Rodriguez, and San Jose. Let's go.
Baser. Music. Bigyan mo na kaya ito kaya yan. Alright, here we go. First game ng ating Sunday schedule. We have this is Canon. There we go. First game. First possession goes to Doc Boleros. Pierrol to the other side. 3-pointer is a miss. First attempt for Doc Boleros. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Another offensive rebound. Wala, pero meron nakuha akong foul.
Personal foul, jersey number 21. And this is first team foul for Falcons. Foul jersey number 1. Personal second foul for Falcons.
All the way to the basket, met by Lotto. And that was a miss, jersey number 1. Backer is good, but jersey number 1 That is U1 Giron with the basket and they are leading by 4 points 4-0. Hindi pa nakakaguhit dito ang Team Falcons. This is Cannon. Pero si Cannon, no? Bata pa pero sobrang atleta nito pag napapanood natin. And that is a foul. Tingnan natin kung kanina ito tawag yan.
Personal foul jersey number 1, Giron. That is his second personal and the 30 foul with double L's.
Lugto, missing his first shot on the free throw line. Second shot is still no good, 0 out of 2. Yung Giron, yung triple Giron na yun, no? Or trip ng Falcons. Giron, mid-range jumper. He makes that one. Giron is starting hot at 2 out of 2 siya so far. And ibig sabihin ito, kailangan talaga siya dyan sa loob. Problema, nakakadalawang kola siya. Kailangan niya mag-ingat. Kahuday to Lugto, all the way to the basket. And there is a foul from number 26.
Personal foul jersey number 26, Paulino. His first personal warning for penalty, Doc Modelo's timeout, Falcons. Paulino corrects your second personal foul.
Medyo dalawang foul trouble kagad Doc Boleros sa Paulino and Giron. Both of them already has 2 fouls at running for penalty na ang Doc Boleros this early, 8 minutes and 8 seconds. I heard from one player, sabi, alam mo ng tao, well, that's one thing that you will need to adjust kapag player. Kapag nakita mong malambot ng tao ng referee, you need to at least adjust. Hindi po yung referee mag-a-adjust sa mga players. So here we go back to the ball game. Again, 6-0, hindi pa nakakaguhit dito ang Falcons. Let's see, this is going to be their possession to score. Cannon to the basket, lefty shot, still a miss. And rebounded by number 18, that is, nawala, bola. Cannon, sa gitna, Rodriguez, finally scoring the first field goal for Falcons after more than 2 minutes. First points for Falcons, 8-2 natin or 6-2 official score. Number 18 all the way to the basket with the athletic layup. That was Jared Torres. Rodriguez to Lugto. Masigit pag-defensa ng Boleros. Nice layup by Lugto. That was even contested by number 26. Number 26, mabawi. Sakay. Number 22. This is Kahuday. Passes San Jose. San Jose misses the shot. Medyo na-intimidate ata si San Jose. Malaki yung kantay niya. Number 22 all the way to the basket. Misses the shot still. Tapuan. Lugto. Sa kabila. Ganda. Libre-libre. Kahuday. 2 points for Kahuday. 8-6 ang ating points. A 2-point advantage for Doc Boleros. Kahuday once again with the interception. Inunago lang ni Kahuday pero good that napasok niya doon. Otherwise, mapapagalitan siya ni Coach doon. And we have a tied ball game. Mukhang napagod na kagad yung Doc. Full press kasi kagad sila. And that is an airball from the 3-pointer. This is a chance for Falcons to grab Kahuday. Nauna na pero napigan ng bola. Recovers the ball. Ball is still with Kahuday. Kahuday passes to Cannon. Cannon, mid-range jumper. That is airball. Rodriguez, sidestepping mo. Palit kay Cannon. Cannon with the lefty end of ball game. Or end the lead for the ball game. At nakikita ko si Chokoy. Mukhang may dala si Chokoy para sa grupa. And that's a 3-pointer.
3 points.
And here kumatapo na naman dito, Doc Boleros once again, Kahuday all the way to the basket. He misses the shot though.
Next showing.
Rodriguez to Kahuday. Kahuday with the 2-pointer. That is good. I would like to thank yung isa nating kaibigan from Delco sa Shinoy, si Chokoy Kabudoy. Nagdala dito ng pagkain para sa team ng PIG. Maraming salamat sa iyo at Frederick Chokoy Kabudoy sa mga kaibigan natin sa Odelco. At yan, dyan po tayo, dyan tayo nabubuhay dito sa Liga. Supportan ng ating mga kaibigan, supportan ng HOA, supportan ng ating mga team sa PIG Basketball. So maraming salamat po sa sumusuporta sa PIG Basketball. Of course, yung ating sponsor, I believe yung official outfitter natin is going to be A-Stress. So, yun po. Teka, may bumasyo ang ating technical team. Tingnan natin anong nangyari. Okay, here we go. Balik tayo sa ating ballgame. Nag-enhance natin yung ating audio. Medyo nakaproblema tayo sa audio. Apparently, ang narinig na yung commentator. We cannot hear what's happening on the bar. So, we're trying to fix that. Medyo ma-excuse yung time natin para mag-ayos ng kapag na-identify natin. May problema sa audio. But ngayon na nag-fix po tayo. Ngayon po nag-ayos po tayo ng audio. Medyo kailangan natin ng konti makapagpapalidon po. Pero may maisip po ng sigurado. Okay, we go. Balik tayo sa ating ballgame. At pasadit lang ako na rin. Lamang pala nandang dito ang Falcons. So, tingnan natin. This is San Jose. San Jose all the way to the basket. He makes that one. And he increases the lead back to 4 points, 20-16 nating official score. Ball is intercepted. Malakas sa pass ni Calon, and that ball stolen away, but there is a ball apparently.
So, jersey number 22, Kamuday. First mental FIFA substitution.
Bola ulit ng Bacaleros. Pagkatapos makapunta sa support team foul ng Bacaleros, hindi na sila ulit pumal. Kaya maingat sila sa ball at last 2 minutes na tayo sa ating first quarter, and they are still not in the penalty. Jersey number 23 passes it over to number 25. Block by Luto. At ang bola na agad ni Kahuday. Nako, nagawan siya doon. Yung number 17. Number 17 sa number 23. Nice defense by Luto once again. Nice effort by Luto. Regardless, kaya shoot yung number 23. Good job sa defensa. Ang mga bata nagsasagat ng age bracket 14 and 15. Bihira dyan ang mas nasipag na defensa sa defense side for Falcons. Luto. Nagawan si Luto doon. This is number 23. To the other side. 2 points. Jersey number 9. That would be KD Arabisa with a 2-pointer. And he ties the ball game with that basket. 20 all ang ating score. This is Kahuday. Kahuday gets from behind. Kitang-kita yan. Tapos number 17.
First jersey number 17, Manzana. First personal penalty. 2 shots for Kahuday.
Naman. Hindi kaya sa mic. Alright, here we go back to the ball game. Last remaining seconds na tayo ng ating first quarter. And ball is with Falcons. Kahuday taps it over to the wrong man. This is jersey number 25 to number 14 to the basket. Masyado may natin number 14 kaya shot. Kahuday. Canon na nagawa naman yung pasan. Kahuday na 2 errors in a row for Kahuday. Number 25 to number 17. Malakas yung pasan number 23. Rodriguez gets the ball and gets a foul. This is a foul against jersey number 18.
First of all, jersey number 18. Torres, 2 shots for Rodriguez. First personal for Torres.
Ito, dalawang free throw naman dito para kay Rodriguez after that foul. First shot by Rodriguez is good. And the second shot is good as well. We have a substitution here for Falcons. 50 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Ang ng bola. Number 25 with the basket finally for Doc Buleos. That was Mark Lawrence Dua with a 2-pointer. And the lead is just 1 point. And this is still called points with the lead fishing board of fouls. Number 22. That is no good. San Jose. Wala pa rin. And that ends our first quarter with score 23-22. 1 point lead for Fagos Balik Point.
Now we have 3-4.
Magpapaalam na po muna ako saglit. Meron na po tayong kailangan kuning gamit at ayusin po natin yung ating audio para po mai-present namin sa inyo ng maganda yung ating live. Babalik po ako. Mawawalan na po muna ng commentary for a few minutes but we'll be back and hopefully we'll be back better sa audio natin. We're still trying to identify what's causing the issue sa ating audio but we'll definitely fix it within the day. Konting pasensya lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Nod. Nod.
Points by Ubu. Red 3 back in the basket.
Driving, busted number 2. Jumbo. Driving, limit number 23.
Hero passes to Paulino. Lays up. Supply nga lang.
Foul by number 8.
2 points by number 18.
Hero, driving, passing out for one basket.
Alright, we'll go back to the ballgame, boys. Falcons trailing by 7 already after 6 minutes sa ating second quarter. We only have 4 minutes remaining sa ating second quarter. We're going to top of the line or top of the free throw line. Lefty is no good to fast break opportunity for Topo Lefty. Zero to the basket and the 2-pointer as well to make the lead 9 points, 40-31. Almost double digit advantage here for Topuleros. This is Peralta to Ganon. Ganon, the first jumper is a miss. Rodriguez. Ganon flies to the basket, gets 2-pointer. This is Giron with the ball. Giron passes to corner. That's open for the 3-pointer. Peralta fast break play. Medyo kapag yung passes nila. Ako bola. Giron crosses over. Passes underneath. Number 31 with the 2-point basket. Beautiful pass by Giron. 42-33, 9-point advantage na lang hinahabol. Or ang hinahabol actually dito lang foul calls. Look to San Jose. San Jose gets a foul. That is before the shot. And the foul is against jersey number 21.
Alive ka lang yun eh.
Okay, we're back to the ball game. Medyo marami tayong reconfigure sa ating settings. Hindi na natin kung magkakaroon tayo ng improvement. We never had this trouble before. Tapos na tayo ng ilang liga at nakapag-setup tayo sa labas. For some reason, medyo nagkakaroon tayo ng audio issues. At we are also not able to capture replays for some reason. So that's something that we are still figuring out. But yun, kung gusto mo na yung mga bata, pwede tayo manood ng live, no? For now, while we are still fixing some issues sa ating mga tools. Siguro yung init na rin ng lugar is contributing to this. As we see that 3-pointer from Bakiral. We'll try to still improve. Tingnan natin itong mga improvements pwede natin gawin sa ating tools. And then we'll see later on if we'll be able to fix this totally. Apologies po again for the technical issues that we're having. But we'll see the games. And again, we are having Doc Boleros and Falcos batting out still. We are at the third quarter. Lamang po ang Doc Boleros na 12 points, 3 minutes remaining. As we see that beautiful assist from Luke to Cannon. And the lead is down to 10 points.
Parang tumakas.
First ball gets the board out. That's his third personal foul and second foul for Doc Buelos. Substitution. Personal foul on jersey number 26. Cortez, that's first personal second foul for Buelos.
Number 26.
Personal foul jersey number 26. Second personal foul, third foul for Bucks Buelos. Substitution. Three points, seven.
Alam ko rin, mas porta kayo. Tawalo ka rin. Kaya si porta sa'yo, kailangan ka tayo, di mo rin sumuporta kahit gano'n. Lagi ng contract.
And now we end of our third quarter with a score 65-59, 6 advantage for Douglas.
Hindi ko na mag-install ganun pag nawala ako. Nakantay na rin ako ni mama eh.
Bakit? Saan ka pupunta?
Alis kami. Sama ako.
Back to the ball. Let's go. Personal foul on Jason Ray West. Third personal foul right from the West.
Basket sa basket.
Transition.
Peralta. Peralta. Iba na naman jersey mo. Kanina jersey na yan. Ha? 11 yung suot mo eh.
Personal foul is number 23.
Ayaw ko.
Upo ka pa rin sa pas. Diba? Nabalisa eh.
Personal foul is number 99. Hidalgo.
Lead, pabili tayo para kasi tayo. Baka tayong bayad dapat.
Ang second game is Royce.
Kirot ka din. Kirot. 10 point. 10 point. Kirot.